Right now I'm in Atom Part. It's a small hill, but look at the beautiful greeneries and look at the creek, the lake. It's part of Beer Savarkar Lake. Apart from the natural beauty, there is another famous thing about Atom Part. It is this. Look at it. The driving circuit. In Andaman, getting driving license is very tough. I'll explain why it is very tough. Look at the circuit. The first step is this car is coming. You can see the two wooden blocks. The driver has to drive in between them. And look, what's a precise skill is required to drive in between the wooden blocks, and he has been able to drive. Right now, he has to take the gear in reverse and he has to drive the car in between the wooden blocks in reverse here, and he has to go up there, that place where another car is right now standing. Let's see how my brother will drive in between the wooden blocks in reverse gear. Well done. He has successfully completed the first step. Right now he is moving uphill. And he has to wait because another car is there in the second step. And this car, it has started to complete its second. And this car right now it is going to the second circuit in the reverse gear, where my brother has to drive in between these two small wooden blocks. He has to drive very carefully, and he's doing well. Well, let's see. Wow, he has completed. He has completed to drive in between the wooden blocks. Now let's see how much he will be able to complete the third step, which is he has to drive in between the wooden blocks and he has to go uphill. And here the same. Here for a while he has to stop, and in the uphill two small wooden blocks are there. Hey, I just missed to mention the most crucial and difficult part. It is in the third stage. When you are ready for the Chadai march, two small matchboxes will be placed just behind your rear wheels, and you have to hold the car without crushing them in reverse gear, and you have to rely on your clutch till the vibration point is reached, and then you have to accelerate and drive through these wooden blocks. So you can see how difficult it is, man. Let's see whether my friend will be able to hold the car on clutch and able to drive through the wooden blocks. Yes, he has been successfully completed. So you can see how tough it is to get a driving license here in Port Blair. And as people say, if you are able to get a driving license by driving through this difficult circuit, then you will be able to drive anywhere in the world.